Hey YouTube, Dark Yoda 113 here. I'm gonna review my last Nerf gun that I have, and it's gonna be I kind of forget what it's called. It's called the Rapid Fire Tech. So yeah, and I may make a Nerf Arsenal video, and then I'll do some cat videos. So yeah, hold on, let me just load this first. It's always pretty hard to take. One sec. I think my Buzzbee's downstairs, so I may not have enough ammo for it. Found one. Need two more. Okay, I found them. Sorry about this, how the camera's like that. I just need to load this real quick. Okay, let's go. Into my game room. Alright, so I'm going to do this pretty quick. Goods, bads, rankings, firing test. Start with the goods. One good is it comes with shells, which is pretty cool. Has this clip, has a little door you can see through. It's pretty cool how you load it. And that's pretty much it. And for the bads, it can get jammed pretty easily with the pull-out lever. It's not a really good stock. It can feel a little weird. And on to the rankings. And by the way, I think it's better than the Buzzbee shotgun. So distance, I got awesome. It can go far. Accuracy, I got great. Overall, it's a great gun. So here's the firing test. I know I'm going through this really fast. I got stuff to do. Sorry. Okay. So, and then watch this. How sweet is that? And we'll shoot it one more time. And that didn't shoot. Don't really know what happened there. Oh, I think this is my broken dart. Let me see. Yeah, I think this one's my broken one. Let me try to find it. Yep. That one's broken, so that's why. Alright, one more shot. There. Alright, see you YouTube, and after this I'll probably make a Nerf Arsenal video. So yeah, what else? I may start a cat video. I don't know, so alright, thanks for watching, see ya.